Good morning Monday sa atin lahat. Naglalagaan ako ng parinda ko ha. Shout out Marvin Janit Bauson, Angel Sweet, shout out Kuya James Vlog, shout out Romulo Manawit Garza Jr., shout out yung dalawang apo ko si John Jodin at Maria Josephine, shout out San Fabian. Mark Joseph Ligtawa, shout out Asmin, shout out. Paninda, ilupugo yung nilalaga ko ha. Ilupugo. Sir Mark Mamro, shout out. Ma'am Fatima Joy, shout out. Carlo Anjo Navarro, tak mo, shout out. Peani Jordan Franco, shout out. Angela Miranda, shout out. Tintin Roca, shout out. Robert Di Guzman, shout out. Jake Tandok, shout out. Eddie Quinto Jr., shout out. Boss Arturo Artirao, shout out boss. Cosly, shout out. Juni World, shout out. Tanggol Labasan sa Ak. Christian Pibreo, Jeffrey Pibreo Azores, shout out. Cardona Compound naman kaibigan natin yan. Maluwad, Cardona Compound. Marta, shout out Marta. Julius Tandok, Jumil Tandok. Proning Kuatan, shout out. Maricarbo ka, shout out. Lukaw Puro 4, shout out. Plastic Pico Puro 4, shout out. See you na. Yung walang puro usok na lang. See you.